water down there. Probably
In 200 meters.
be hard to see over there, but there is some water over there. Oh, little picnic area it looks like here too.
Camping?
There. Yeah. Something behind.
Camping spots.
Camping?
Wanna go camping?
Picnicking? Campground, yeah.
Destination is on the left.
Okay guys, we'll
See you inside.
see if we find the waterfall, okay? Have a great day and we'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Okay, we got out of the car. We're looking for the waterfall. There's supposed to be a waterfall around here, but we found water, but haven't seen the waterfall yet. So we definitely heard the water when we were walking, so we did find the water, but I don't know where the waterfall is for sure. But anyways,
Pretty.
yeah, nice little area here. It's kind of a dead end right there, so
Campsite.
yeah, little camping area here.
We'll go camping. Nice little campsites if you have a camper, or you could probably put a tent up too.
So yeah,
It's beautiful.
not sure where the waterfalls are, but
Oh, they look like eagles over there, but they're too far away. Darn.
we'll just have a little walk around here. And be a nice place to come and camp, that's for sure.
Yeah. Look at the water.
I guess we could walk down there a little bit, but I'll say, I don't want to come back up.
I'm gonna try.
Okay, you go. Well, yeah, I didn't think there'd be that much dry down there, but yeah, that's not bad.
Hey guys.
And there goes Torch. Be safe down there. Find a nice shiny rock.
Here, helicopter.
Yeah, I can hear it too. See if we can see it. See if it comes over top of these trees here somewhere. Oh, there he is. I saw him there. And I got that. That's slippery. I fell right there. So I'm not going down. That's slippery. Slippery shoes. Hope you try and find a nice rock. A Bigfoot out here. Okay. You guys have a great day. And we're still gonna walk around and see if we can find this waterfall. If not, we'll talk to you soon. Hello everyone.
Hey, we're still in Stamp Provincial Park.
And well, that's what we found. It says waterfalls, so
Let's go check it out.
we'll see what we see.
Yeah.
If anything. I don't know.
If not, we're just out in nature and it's really pretty. Lots of trees. Lots of pollen.
Well, again, there's the water again.
Yeah.
A little farther along than we've been to, but
Picnic tables here.
a little bigger tree here.
Oh, that's a big one.
That's the bigger one. It's a big one. Way up there.
I love the sound of water.
Yeah, it's nice out here. It's not too cold today, actually. It's
No.
been cold here most of the time, but
Yeah.
not too bad today. Well, I hope it's not too much further here.
Look at those pretty flowers. Those are
Yeah,
different.
yeah.
I wonder what those are.
I don't know. Port Alberni.
Port Alberni.
Those kind of flowers. I don't know. I'm going uphill, guys.
I don't like hills.
I don't like going uphill. Wow. Seems like more than 200 meters. I don't know. What's 200 meters? I got 200 meters already.
Oh, look at that.
Small waterfalls, if that's what it is.
Bet you that's damn cold.
See it a little bit there. Yeah, what a beautiful area.
Want me to walk down there? You look tired.
Yeah.
Let's see what we see. Ronnie's got to take it easy. Okay. I think there's a fish ladder here too, with a salmon or trout, I'm not sure. Let's see. Here we go, Chinook. Oh, wow. There. Chinook are the largest of the Pacific salmon. It's a very important component of BC's commercial, native, and sports fishery. And this is the long, there's back up a bit. You gotta follow all that path. You can stop it and read it if you want. 40 million salmon pass down this river each year. 40 million! Okay, here we go. Look at that. Wow. Okay, so yeah, I see where the salmon run kind of is down there, but zoom in a bit. Look at the falls. Look at that water. So beautiful. I just like to listen to the water. Okay guys, gonna go find Ronnie. He gets pooped out. Can't walk too much like that. Loses his balance and, you know. Anyways, I think I'll call it. Look at that. I think we moved to a beautiful area. Look at all this stuff. Love nature. Love it. Okay, let's just see if I can see him. Look at that tree. Cool. Oh, there he is. Hey, Ronnie. All right, guys. Reunited. We're gonna call it, okay? He was looking at the flowers. All right. Have a good day, everybody.
Take care, everyone.